Hi everyone. Today we are going to Hi everyone. Today we are going to see automata theory Turing machine. This is our example 1. Actually, what is that example means? Turing machine that accepts the language A star. That means many number of A's can be accepted by the machine. Like that we need to design the Turing machine. Okay. So here uh, start state is Q naught and it could have to accept A star, A initially and a many number of A's also can be accepted by the machine. Okay. So here for that we can draw a self loop. It can takes the A many number of times. The self loop can takes the self loop can takes many number of A's. Okay. So many number of A's can be accepted by the Q naught here. Current state is Q naught and when it takes the input A again it's in the Q naught itself. So here in Turing machine we have a input tape with blanks too, right? So after taking many number of A's it could goes to the blank and reads the blank and, and delivers the output as blank and now again it moves left because the left cell only filled with the A's, right? It reached to the final state Q1, next state to the Q naught. Okay, so this is the Turing machine that accepts the language A star. What is the process going on here? A star. So one A and many number of A's can be and some of the cell with blanks, right? Because the Turing machine have a infinite tape both side. Okay. So first the Q naught can takes the input A. So again it's in the state Q naught itself. This one shows in this transition diagram. Okay. It takes A and output is A and moves right. Okay. So the next, the second symbol is A. The Q naught takes A again. So the Q naught can takes A again and the output is A and moves right. Okay. It's in the same state Q naught itself. So okay. The next time step is next A can be read by the machine. So again suppose the third A can be read by the Q naught. It goes to the right side and takes A. It's in the same state Q naught itself. Okay. Next it can read the blank symbol because it moves right in the previous one. So it takes the blank symbol to its right and now it reached to the, this is the blank symbol. Okay. Now it reached to the final state Q1. So the string can be accepted by the Turing machine now. Okay. Now it halts and reach to the final state and it halts. Therefore we say when it reaches to the halt state we said the string is accepted by the machine. Okay. So one of the example for rejection, actually the machine only can accept, this type of machine can accept A and many number of A's, right? But here I could given the input as ABA. So definitely it could be not accepted by the machine. That we can check. Okay. So first it can read A and it's in the same state Q naught itself. Now then it reads B. No possible transition is here because only A can be accepted and blanks can be accepted by this machine. So no possible transition. So the machine halts in the initial state itself. It is not a final state. So the string not accepted by the Turing machine here. Okay, that's it. So one of the example for rejection also completed. Thank you.